Morning guys and welcome back to the channel. It's probably afternoon now, but whatever. We get that busy, but we like to bring along the bad things, good things, anything that's really interesting to show. So this car presented with a flat tyre. Now you think usual, tyre's worn, that's your tyre, so as you can see, bags of tread on it. Now if you look around the outside, it's absolutely fine, as much as I can show you. And then the inside looks all right. Unfortunate, come backwards a bit. And then we see this, a big crack. So someone's attempted to repair this with electrical tape there, and of course the big crack in the alloy, and that is extremely dangerous, guys. So just be mindful of who's repairing your stuff, or if you're doing this yourself, this could have been a different story. Luckily no one's been hurt, but there we go guys. So I thought I'd bring it on that one. I'll see you in the next one.